How to prepare 500 milliliters oxalic acid solution with approximately 0.1 molar concentration? Weigh the mass of hydrated oxalic acid using an analytical balance. The mass of hydrated oxalic acid required is approximately 6.3 grams. Record the accurate mass of hydrated oxalic acid to 4 decimal places. Add distilled water to hydrated oxalic acid. And stir the mixture until the solid dissolves. Now the two water molecules bonded to each oxalic acid molecule become part of the solvent. If it is difficult to dissolve the solid, add a little more water. Be careful not to spill the mixture. It seems that the solid has completely dissolved. Transfer the solution into a 500 ml volumetric flask. Always use a funnel to avoid spillage. The solution is poured this way to avoid spillage. Did you notice when a drink from one cup is poured into another, it spills? Well, this is the way to avoid the same thing happening to the solution. The beaker is rinsed once or twice to ensure all hydrated oxalic acid is dissolved and transferred into the volumetric flask. Do the same to the funnel. Next, add more distilled water to obtain 500 ml solution. The solution level is very close to the calibrated mark. Use a dropper to avoid accidentally exceeding the mark. Add distilled water drop by drop until the lower meniscus of solution is the same level as that of the calibrated mark. Do you realize that the upper part of volumetric flask mainly consists of water? How to obtain a perfectly homogeneous solution? Stopper the volumetric flask, secure the top and bottom with both hands, then turn it upside down. Now, there is exactly 6.3255 grams of hydrated oxalic acid in this volumetric flask. Can you calculate the amount of hydrated oxalic acid in mole? But the solute in this solution is only oxalic acid H2C2O4. The two water molecules bonded to the acid become the solvent together with the distilled water added. What is the amount of oxalic acid in mole? If the amount of oxalic acid in mole is known and the volume of the solution prepared is 500 ml, can you determine the molarity of the solution? If you can use it as a standard solution.